everybody. I'm having a little problem with my Aveo. Now, I replaced the oil sending unit the other day, and I really don't think that would have anything to do with my high idle that I'm getting in neutral and park. Watch. And it just stays at that high idle. So, I'm thinking this is that, we put a brand new EGR tube on before we left for our trip to Florida. And I'm thinking it may have some tiny pinholes in it already because we didn't wrap this brand new one. Okay, and also I put some really strong automotive and industrial tape around my air intake hose because it had a small crack in it, but I am down here in Florida, and if that loosened up a little bit, now it may be the air intake. So we're going to check a couple things today, and I guess we definitely need to get that EGR wrap, and we went to the AutoZone, but they're not selling it anymore. Now when I put it in reverse, right back down to regular idle. It's pretty strange because my car didn't do that ever before. Put it back in park. I don't know, maybe the oil, and since I replaced the oil sending unit, my car has a lot more pickup. So I don't know, but maybe, it was going a little bad. Well, we know it went bad, obviously. But all right, everybody, as soon as I figure out the problem, I'll let everybody know.